Yesterday we solved this question. Today we will be proceeding to the next question. And every question has a different, you have seen even in the topic of salary. Here also every question has something new which we need to learn, which will help us to understand this topic in most possible manner. So this is the question which is illustration 6, page number 128. Mr. Sehwag, Mr. Sehwag owns a house property at Malad, SV Road. So as you know, it is Malad area, so you will not find standard rent. Why? Because I told you standard rent will be applicable where municipal reason territory should not be there. He has let out to Mr. Yuvraj, who has occupied for business purpose. To whom you have given, for what purposes they are using, is immaterial for us. So basically, it is let out property. The details regarding this property are as follows: date of commencement of construction, date of completion of construction, rateable value, that is municipal value, fair rent is also given, rent per month is given, unrealized rent is given, municipal tax paid during the year. You know, we are taking municipal tax on the payment basis. So even this last year, last to last year, it was outstanding. It must not have been allowed to them. So year of payment, he will get all the benefit. Okay. So entire amount 24 plus 5, 29,000 ka municipal tax will be allowed in the year of payment. Interest on outstanding municipal tax not concern, actual repairs not concern. So for these only there is a standard deduction for collection, repairs, renovation. So 30% of net annual value we will be directly going to get as a deduction. Interest on construction of loan allowed, interest on construction of loan outstanding to Dena Bank, both will be allowed. So total interest which will be allowed under section 24 will be 60,000. You are required to calculate income from house property. So let us start. Make the format. Mr. Sehwag, legal status, residential status. चलो complete करो फटाफट. This is our question. So yesterday we have completed only to net annual value. Today we will be going beyond that. So this question we have first completed the format. I told you for any questions of computation of income, you have to make name of SSC, legal status, Residential status, by default, we will always assume resident and ordinary resident. Computation of income, PAN number, previous year, and assessment year. So, what's a fair rent for us? Should we start? Fair rent given in the question is 1,60,000, and municipal valuation given in the question is 1,50,000. So, fair rent is given as 160, municipal valuation 150. Whichever is higher, we are going to consider it. So higher of this is 160. Higher of this is 160. Standard rent, not applicable, not available. It's not available. So it will not be applicable over here. Rent receivable is given 15,000. So for 12 month, 1,80,000. There was unrealized rent that's given in the question. That was 15,000. So 180 minus 15, 165. So rent actually received will be 165. So gross annual value I will consider annual rent and RLV, reasonable lettable value, whichever is higher. So 165 and 160. Yes, Priya, Kajal, they got me the GAV value. So GAV for me will be 1. 1,65,000. 1,65,000. Just now we have seen municipal tax. I told you even for previous year it will be allowed because in previous year it must not have been allowed due to outstanding basis. So entire 29,000 will be allowed. Yes, Gopika, Priya, they started giving me the value of NAV. So NAV we got 1,36,000. Standard deduction 30% of NAV. So that value we got 40,800. Interest on previous year. Yes, Priya, Krishna, Kajal, Gopika, Mittal, they all are participating. So previous year interest, yes, 60,000. So income from house property, 35,200. Yes, this is how your entire question is. Everyone, I hope you must have understood. Any doubt, please ask me. If you have finished, can we proceed to the next question? Thank you very much. Similar answer you'll get even in textbook also. Same 35,200. Even there is explanation, notes, everything related to that. which makes the things much easier to understand. Next question. This question is based on vacancy allowance. So till now we have seen the questions which were LOP. Now we will be taking care of question which will be VLOP. What will happen in VLOP? We will consider that even the rent entire year we have received, because due to vacancy you will not get entire 12 months rent. And if suppose you are getting 10-month or 11-month or 9-month rent and you are comparing with municipal valuation of 12-month or fair rent of 12-month, then there is unreasonable comparison. So here in these questions we'll be computing two type of gross annual value: gross annual value before vacancy allowance and gross annual value after vacancy allowance. So gross annual value before vacancy allowance will consider as if we have taken and got the rent for entire 12 months, and then loss due to vacancy we will deduct, and then finally what we will get as gross annual value after vacancy allowance, from where that is actual gross annual value, from there only we will start our answer. From there only we will start our answer. That is the actual GAV which we are looking for. Okay, so let us take up this question now. So this is a question of VLOP. Mr. Zahir Khan, who owns a bungalow at Panvel near Mumbai, he has let out to Mr. Ashish, who has occupied it for residential purpose. The property remained vacant for 2 months. So there will be 2 months vacancy allowance. The details regarding the property, detail of completion, rateable value, rent per month, most reasonable rent, that is fair rent, unrealized rent is given, municipal tax paid. Just now you have seen in the previous question, fully will be allowed. Municipal tax penalty paid, not concern. Actual repairs expenses, not concern. I told you for this only you are getting 30% standard deduction. Interest on construction of loan, including advance interest of previous year. So now again previous year interest in this loan will not be allowed like municipal tax. Why? Because loan ka interest even in outstanding basis we must have taken the benefit. So here the interest on loan benefit you will get only to the extent of 10,000. Only to the extent of 10,000. Why? Because this 6,000 ka benefit you must have got it in 1890. In the year 1918 and 19. You are required to calculate income from house property. Should we start? So the interest on loan is only 10,000. Okay, thank you. What was the fair rent? Again, format, constant format. Name of assessee, legal status, individual status, sorry, legal status and individual residential status. Just finish everything. So what's the fair rent you are getting? What is fair rent? We have assumed that we have received the rent for entire year. So the rent receivable will be, again 60,000. Unrealized rent is given 5,000. Unrealized rent is given 5,000. So rent actually received will be 55,000. So 55 or 65, whichever is higher. Yes. So we'll assume gross annual value before. Yes, very right answer. Yes, thank you everyone. 65,000. So this additional you have to do it if at all there is a vacancy allowance. If at all there is a vacancy allowance. So if there is a vacancy allowance, you have to get the gross annual value before vacancy allowance and gross annual value after vacancy allowance. So loss due to vacancy, there were 2 months vacant, so 10,000. The house was vacant for 2 months, and rent per month is 5,000. For 2 months, rent will be 10,000. So loss due to vacancy is 10,000. So gross annual value after vacancy will be how much? Gross annual value after vacancy will be how much? 55 is absolutely right answer. So this only new things you have to keep in mind. ये एक नया चीज आपको याद रखनी है अगर वैकेंसी अलावेंस के क्वेश्चन आए तो कोई बात नहीं और हम लोग एक दो क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा सो दिस इज एक्चुअल वैकेंसी अलावेंस विच वी वर लुकिंग फॉर म्युनिसिपल टैक्स दिया हुआ है म्युनिसिपल टैक्स पेड बाय ओनर इज गिवन 4,000 so my net annual value will be 51,000 yes less deduction under section 24 first will be 30% of net annual value standard deduction. I hope till here you have completed. Yes, it is 15,300. Interest on loan. Interest on loan. I told you in this question, the actual interest will be allowed only for this year, not for the previous year. So 10,000. Yes, the right answer is 10,000. So the taxable income from house property. So the taxable income from house property. Yes, this is very right answer. 25,700. Absolutely correct answer. So today we have seen VLOP. Till yesterday we were taking LOP. So LOP is over, VLOP is over. In VLOP we will get two gross annual value, before vacancy allowance and after vacancy allowance. I hope you must have completed now. Others just finish. Thank you. We will continue with the same topic in coming lectures also.